Kipsters and families, this is Mrs. Jubert. I hope you're having a wonderful first day of school. Today, I'm sharing with you that we have a really exciting new platform that will make it much easier for your child to log in for their blended learning. So last year, you might remember you had to have one password for Google Classrooms, you had to have one password for Lexia, and one password for ST Math. This year, things will be much simpler. You can go to one place to log on for all of those things, and that website is called Clever. So if you are in kindergarten, first, or second, you'll be logging on to both Lexia and ST Math. And if you are in third or fourth grade, you're going to be logging on to Lexia and a new program called Imagine Math. So what you're going to do to log on is you are going to go to the Clever website. And the Clever website, in order to access that, you will type into your search bar clever.com/in/KIP Texas. So clever.com/in/KIP Texas. And then you'll get to this home screen. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to log on. You'll click log on with Google. So click log on with Google. And then you're going to enter your child's login information. Let me make sure I have the correct login information. So I will log on. Today is Jonah, and I'm going to click next. You'll enter your password for all Kipsters, that is persist20, and click next. From there, you'll be able to do a couple of different things. So the first thing you can do is you can click here to go automatically to your Google Classrooms. So there's Miss Cowden's class. He's all ready to go. You also can log on to Lexia. So if I click on this link, automatically Clever is going to log me into Lexia. There are not any additional steps for parents or families. You'll just be ready to go. If I click this button, that cool video will start. The last thing you can do, if you are in kindergarten, first, or second grade, you'll click on Gigi, and ST Math will open right up. So again, in order to access this information, you'll go to clever, clever.com/in/KIP Texas. You'll log on with your information and you'll be all set. Quick note that if you have one of the KIP Texas Chromebooks, this should all happen automatically for you, but this will make it so your child can get started on Lexia and ST Math if they're in kindergarten, first, or second grade today. And if they are in third or fourth grade, they can get started on Lexia and Imagine Math. Please reach out if you have any questions or are not able to access Lexia, or not able to access Clever. Have a great day.